Book 27-4, The Magic Key, The Glowing Picture. Biff and Chip were painting a picture in their bedroom, but the colors looked dull in the afternoon shadow. "I wish we could paint with real, glowing light," sighed Biff. Suddenly, the magic key began to glow. The magic took them to a busy toy workshop in Chicago in 1967. Shelves were stacked with colorful boxes, toy gears and prototype models, and tools lay scattered across a workbench. They saw two friendly toy inventors named Joseph and Burt standing over a table. They were looking at a black box with a bright light bulb shining inside it. Joseph explained they wanted to make a toy that let children draw with light. "But how do we make the light colorful without making the toy dangerous?" asked Burt. Chip pointed to a tray of translucent, colored plastic pegs on the shelf. "What if we push these pegs through a dark sheet into the light?" he suggested. Joseph smiled and quickly placed a sheet of black paper over the light box. Biff carefully pushed a red plastic peg through the paper, and it glowed like a bright star. Biff, Chip, and the inventors pushed blue, green, and yellow pegs into the paper to create a glowing picture of a sailboat. "It works," cheered Burt. Suddenly, the magic key in Chip's pocket glowed green, and a magical light filled the workshop. Biff and Chip shrunk down and found themselves inside a giant world of glowing, colorful plastic pegs that looked like illuminated skyscrapers. They climbed up a giant yellow peg and jumped through a green glowing portal, growing back to normal size in the workshop as the inventors waved goodbye. The magic key glowed bright green, and the workshop with all its colorful pegs and prototypes began to fade away. The magic took them back to their bedroom. Chip held a new box containing a light bright toy. They turned off the lights and watched their own colorful designs glow in the dark.